Looking clean, bro. Let that shit bang for me.
What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. Now today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get multiple pairs of shoes shipped to your house. Now, if you guys haven't noticed yet, or this is the first video you've seen of mine, I am using a different setup. I got my G7X going instead of using that shitty webcam, so it should look a lot better. Now, this is not going to be a very long video, so if you guys do enjoy it, please make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more content. Now, before we get started, there is a couple things you are going to need. The first thing is you're going to need multiple credit cards. Now, you can either apply for a bunch of credit cards and do all that stuff. I don't even want to get into that. Or you can go to a website called privacy.com, set up an account and link your bank account to the privacy and make unlimited virtual cards. Now, personally, this is what I do and have not had any issues with it, so I would recommend you doing this. But if you can't, prepaid cards would work too. If you don't know what I mean by prepaid cards, you can just go to your local Walgreens or Walmart and pick up one of these little black cards. Here, let me show you mine. Now, they look like this. I guess you can't really see much, but like, they're just little visas you can reload. And next, you're gonna need multiple addresses, which I understand some of you guys don't have that. But personally, what I do is just jig my address. So instead of putting 123 Street Road, 123 Street, I would put 123 ST dot, 123 ST, 123 Street as you would spell it, and then 123 Street and add extra T, or just put another dot. You just want to make it so it's not the same exact way as it was on the other profile. Otherwise, Shopify will catch that and they will cancel your order. So we're just going to assume that you're running a bot for this video, because I don't think you can get very many shoes manual, because I would be very surprised if you could get multiple shoes manual. Like, I would honestly be shocked. I've never seen anybody do that, but I guess if it's Adidas, you probably can, but like, I don't see that happening. That looks like I'm crying. So now that you have your multiple credit cards and your multiple addresses, or your one address that you're going to be jigging, you just want to make new profiles on your bot. Make sure you use completely different information for each profile. Now, if you would like all the emails to go to one place, I will show you guys how to make a catch-all in another video. That video should be out tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. It's as simple as that, guys, if you want to get multiple shoes shipped to one address. Now, if you don't follow this video and if you don't jig your address and have different credit cards and information, they will cancel your orders and you will lose out on a lot of profit. So just be sure you jig your address and have completely new information for each profile and you're good to go. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be doing my best to answer them. Also, check out my sneaker group and my personal Twitter link down below. And feel free to DM me if you need any help. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you want to see more content like this, and also hit that subscribe button for more. Pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.